Hey guys, welcome back to BFFs Forever. Today we are going to be making little blind surprises, okay? First things first, you're going to start off with the My Bed headphones. I have little erasers, the little charms. So first we're going to start off with this, the paper. You're going to want to cut the paper in half. Next, you're going to want to fold it like that, fold it. And then next, what you're gonna do is, we're gonna want to do is just like hot glue the sides shut, and this side right here, and leave one part open so you can put things in it. And then yeah, just go from there. Okay, we got that done with. Okay, next we're gonna pick a little shine frame. So this is all I have, all these. So what I think I'm going to do is this fish with a starfish, and yeah, this little thingy with a seahorse, and maybe a little crab with the sun, and let's see, a popsicle, little popsicle. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna go. So now we're just gonna put them in here. So fishy, starfish, and yeah, I'm just gonna put them in. Next, I'm just gonna add like these little thingies, these little like bracelets and stuff. Cause yeah, it's cute. So now next, all you want to do is hot glue this shut. Now you want to hot glue it shut. Okay, now that we got our little surprise, we're going to go ahead and label it. And I'm going to label it maybe like the ocean blind surprise. Ocean blind surprise. That's what I'm going to do it. Okay. Yeah, I'm just going to label that with probably I'm going to use a blue marker. So yeah. Okay, we got our ocean blind surprise labeled it. I'm just going to put like ocean waves maybe. Yeah. So yeah, now that one's all done. I'm just going to leave it like that. And yeah, so that's how you make a blind surprise. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. Thank you. Bye. Remember, we're BFFs forever.